Editing for the right tone. Replacing inappropriate words. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of proofreading and editing, replacing inappropriate words or phrases to ensure a consistent tone and style in your writings. Words have power, and choosing the right ones can significantly elevate your work. In writing, especially formal writing, it's essential to keep a consistent tone. This doesn't just make your writing sound professional. It ensures that your message is clear and understood without causing unintended emotions or reactions. Inappropriate words might be those that are too casual for a formal setting, too jargony and unclear for a general audience, potentially offensive or sensitive, simply off-brand or off-topic. Before you can replace inappropriate words, you need to identify them. Here are some steps. 1. Understand your audience. Know who you're writing for. A piece for teenagers will be different than a corporate report. 2. Read aloud. Sometimes, our ears catch what our eyes miss. If something sounds off, it probably is. 3. Ask for feedback. A fresh pair of eyes can provide a new perspective. Once you've identified words or phrases that don't fit the tone or style you're aiming for, it's time to replace them. Here's how. 1. Use a thesaurus, but use it wisely. Ensure the replacement word fits the context. 2. Reframe the sentence. Sometimes, it's not just about replacing a word but restructuring a sentence for clarity and tone. 3. Stay true to your message. While replacing words, make sure you don't lose the original intent or meaning. 4. Avoid fillers and fluff. Words like very, really, and just often don't add value. Be concise. Let's see some examples. Inappropriate. The meeting was super long, and the boss's presentation was kinda boring. Revised. The meeting was extended, and the presentation could have been more engaging. Inappropriate. The software was glitchy and just bad. Revised. The software had several issues that need addressing. Remember, words are the building blocks of your message. Choosing the right ones can make all the difference in how your writing is received. We hope this video helps you refine your editing skills and ensure a consistent tone and style in your works. Happy writing!